Hey Slayers, Owen Oslaywe here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be speaking to you guys via voiceover because it was quite honestly the easiest way for me to record this video today. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well as share with some people who you think will be interested in this content. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you can be notified each time that I upload a brand new video to my YouTube channel. With that being said, get out your brushes and let's begin. The first thing I'm doing is cleaning my brows out with some rubbing alcohol to get the grease out, and this is so that I can ensure that the glue I'm applying to my brow hairs now stays in place. A helpful hack for when trying to lay down your brow hairs with a glue stick is to get the glue in your hairs going in the opposite direction from which they grow, and then laying them down using a spoolie as you see me doing. As the glue dries on my brow hairs, I like to take a towel with some rubbing alcohol and clean right around the brows on the skin area to prevent the glue from drying and making a mess on that part of my face. Taking this red shade of a mini NARS lipstick, I'm going to be color correcting my eyebrow. This is a very important step in the eyebrow blocking process because it takes you one step closer to truly making your eyebrows disappear. Next, taking this packing brush from the Holiday Eyeslayerz collection at Morphe, I'm going to be working in that color into my brow, and I'm doing it by patting it in rather than swiping. This is important because you do not want to break that layer of glue that's on your brows so that the hairs do not break free. Once I'm done blending in my color correcting cream, I'm going to take some setting powder and push it into my brow in the same fashion using the same brush. Next, following the same style of application, I'm going to be putting on foundation over everything that we just did. Taking my beauty blender, I'm going to continue to work that product into my face. It is important to take into account that I am pushing it into the skin. We do not want to be rough so that we do not break that glue and cause the hairs to break free. That would totally defeat the purpose. Alright, our brow has disappeared and now it is time to cover up our face. Taking this Tarte Shape Tape, I'm going to begin to lay down the foundation for this side of my face. Taking a fresh beauty blender and still working carefully, I'm going to begin to blend the Tarte Shape Tape that I have laid down on this part of my face. Taking more of that Tarte Shape Tape, I'm going to focus it on the area where my brow used to be, and I'm doing this to make sure that it is fully covered. I'm also going to follow up by laying it down everywhere else that needs to be covered. And then I'm going to begin to blend it in. As you can see, I'm working rather quickly to blend this in, and that is because Tarte Shape Tape is known for drying up very quickly, so I want to make sure that I get that product laid down before it has a chance to do so. Next, I'm taking more Tarte Shape Tape and focusing it under my eye to make sure that it is fully concealed and covered, and then I'm also going to put some right there on my cheek and making sure that basically all of those areas have full coverage. I'm focusing more setting powder on my under eye to make sure that there are no creases, and then I'm spreading it over the rest of my face to make sure that I have a smooth canvas ready to go. Taking a wet makeup wipe, I'm going to clean up the edge and create a straight line between the two different sides of my face. Taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Brow Pomade in shade Chocolate, I'm going to begin to sketch in my Instagram brow. To see more on how I achieved this, I'll have a video link in the description box below to part 2 of my brow series. Taking my Makeup Forever Flash Palette, I'm going to dip into the red shade, and then I'm also going to dip into the yellow shade and put them on the back of my hand. Next, taking my Ben Nye Color Wheel, I'm going to dip into the orange shade and also add that to the colors. I'm going to mix them together to get the perfect shade of orange. Now, taking my eyeliner tool from the Holiday Islay collection at Morphe, I'm going to begin to sketch in my eyeliner. I'm working carefully and making note of where my liner ends so that I can make sure that they're equal on both sides. Taking my matte black liner from NYX Cosmetics, I'm now going to give my eyeliner the cartoon look by etching out the orange part with black. With another clean eyeliner tool, I'm also cleaning up that liner with some more of that Tarte Shape Tape concealer. Okay, so I am now writing in my words. This had to be the hardest part of the look, writing the words in general. It was extremely tricky and even more so trippy. I had to meticulously hold my hand and the tool that I was writing with, and I was writing backwards so that the words are legible once the picture is taken. And in this exact moment, I was not happy.
Red flag.
So I was able to fix that ugly letter and then bring it back to a place where I was confident with my look, and I'm now moving forward. FYI, writing the word I on that part of your face is the most challenging thing ever. I don't think I've ever done anything else in makeup that has pushed me harder than trying to do that. I actually have 5 windows in my room, so I get plenty of natural lighting. I set up my lights and everything when I was filming this video, but I did leave my curtains spread. So you will notice that the lighting is fluctuating a lot in this video. Try not to be bothered, LOL. So we are almost done. Taking the flash palette again, I'm dipping into the white shade and I'm going to use it to paint my lips. For information on how I did my base, I will link the video to my luminous skin routine. Taking my black lip liner pencil again, I'm going to begin to trace my lips. In preparation to write on my lips, I'm taking some of this black eyeliner and putting it on the back of my hand. Now taking my Morphe eyeliner tool, I'm going to begin to write the words. Realizing that I was writing the words in wrong, I wiped them off and reapplied the white paint from the flash palette and then continued to write in the new words correctly this time. For final touches in the end, I put some mascara on my goatee to give it back its color, given that it was washed out by the concealer and foundation. Hey Slayers, it's me, Owen. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video today. I had a lot of fun doing a voiceover. This is my first time doing it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Recreating this look was also so much fun. It definitely pushed me artistically. I also want to say congratulations to Ashley for being the winner of Instant Influencer Season 1. She was so deserving and I'm so happy that she walked away a winner. I also want to say thank you so much for sharing my work on your Instagram story. Alright, y'all know what time it is. If you enjoyed this video today, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It would help me out so much. Also, be sure to share this video with anywhere from 1 to 5 people who you think will be interested in this content. Lastly, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also click on that notification bell so that you get a notification each time that I upload a brand new video to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one, and remember, until then, slay always and always. Bye bye.